It kind of gives that
no, 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 when it's really yes, 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 yes. Hear me saying no, 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 when it's really yes, 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 yes. To fall in love. Honey.
Hey ladies, it is Chad here and I am coming to you with a wig review. I know I have been gone, y'all, but I've been trying to vlog. My house got set on fire, honey, and a whole bunch of stuff was happening. So I've been a little delayed with these wigs and I'm so sorry. I'm sorry if I'm like half in the picture. I will show you the full wig, but look at this color, y'all. Look at this color. Look at this color. I got a little old school Beyonce going on. This is kind of like the color that she started out with, but it is so cute and it's a really cute length. So let me get into the details. So I was sent this wig from Ebony Line, and I will make sure that I put the link down below. It's ebonyline.com. It is Janet Collection. I'm reading off the paper. Janet Collection Premium Fiber Extended Deep Part Lace Front Wig. The name is NUNU, and this color is Mocha Blonde. And she was only $28, guys. It looks black on the stock card, but it's actually more like a brown color. And it's probably looking black on here as well. Here is NUNU. And it is a lace front, and I did cut that off. It's not bothering me whatsoever. It feels really good. Here's the parting area, which is the extended part. It looks really good, really natural. I didn't pluck the part whatsoever. I just put a little bit of concealer on it, but it looks natural. If you all want to pluck it a little bit more, you can do so. The only thing I did to it is take my curlers and flatten the top because it was a little poofy at the top, but overall it was pretty good. Like, the part was good. The lace was pretty good. It didn't give me any problems when I cut the lace whatsoever. I didn't have any type of shedding from the hair even after I cut the lace. But there is 2 combs right here in the front, which is perfect. It fits very well, very well. I got a big head, y'all, so it is big head friendly. I mean, it's fitting like a glove, not tight, but it is fitting like a glove, and it's secure. And like, I feel like I can swing and do all types of stuff with this hair, and this hair is not gonna go anywhere. Like, I'm very secure in this. It has, like I said before, it has 2 combs in the front on each side here. Wait. Yeah, it's each side right here. 2 combs in the front, and then there's 1 comb in the back, and there is, let's see, is there an adjustable strap back here? It looks like it has 2 little straps back here, but I'm not quite sure if they're adjustable or not. But there's some straps back there somewhere, girl. Yeah, so the color is an ombre type color. It comes off a bit shiny, just a little bit on the camera, but it's not as shiny in person. It may just be my lighting, but it's really not too shiny in person. If you do have a problem with the shine, you know, tricks that you can do with that. You can put baby powder and stuff like that on it, but it looks really realistic. I'm running my hands through it. There is no shedding whatsoever. None whatsoever. It comes down. Here's my boobs right here, so it's like touching right at the boobs, and it's kind of layered, and I like the layered effect because it kind of gives that no when it's really yes. Hear me saying no when it's really yes. That old Beyonce, old like early 2000s kind of style that we used to do back in the day. How the layers is going, and it's just layered, and it's kind of just going all over the place, but those are the layers. Here are the layers. So yeah, those are the layers. It looks human. It does not look like it is a synthetic wig. 100% premium fiber, but it feels amazing, guys. Like, it does not feel synthetic whatsoever. It makes me feel like I got a couple of bundles and got a natural like sew-in. I love this color. It goes well with my skin tone, and it's not too much for the actual for the actual winter time. I actually think that I'm gonna be wearing this wig for the holidays. Like, it's very subtle, it's very sweetheart, it's very natural, but it looks like I have a blowout. It looks like I wrapped my hair and then just combed it out from my wrap. Like, it's super cute. Y'all say I'll never show y'all the top of my head. Here's the top of my head. Can you see? Can you see the top of my head? That's the top. Can you see the side of my face? Here's the color. Here's the shine. Here's the shine. This is the root of the hair. It goes down to this ombre all the way down. It comes down to touch my boob. It is layered. Do you see the layers? It is layered, okay? Let me show you the back because I don't want to hear y'all's mouth. Here is the back of the hair. Here is the back of the hair. Here is the middle of my back, okay? There is the arch of my back, okay? So this is how much it goes from here to the arch of my back. See? Here is my butt right here, okay? There's me, okay? Okay, there's the back. Here's the side. Here is the front. Here is the part in the top of my head. Can y'all see it? Okay. Here is, I'm sitting down, and this is how the wig is flowing. It is layered, and it just kind of flows how it flows. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so here is the hair. This is how I look. And I like it, and I'm going to wear it for the holidays, definitely for Christmas. I appreciate Ebony Line for sending me this wig. You guys, go check the wig out. You're going to like it. If you want something that is low maintenance or something that you can wear from day to day, or something that's going to fit in with the winter time but still give you a little boom and a little spice. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So thumbs up if you like this wig. If you have this wig, let me know how you like it. What color did you have it in? Did it shed on you? Did it tangle up on you? Did it work well for you? But just let me know your thoughts on this wig. If you like it on me, then, and you don't have it, click that link down below and make sure that you do purchase this wig. If you do have it, let me know what your thoughts are on it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure that you share this video. Make sure you turn on the notification buttons, guys, so you are aware of all the great videos I have in store for you. I am trying to get my subscribers up, so make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Until next time, make sure you take care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, you can't come back to see me, and that's not fair. Pinky promise I'll do the same. Make sure you let everybody know that we love wigs, that we love wigs. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. Bye.